Hey guys, my name's VanderMyde. This is my teammate Gregg. We can't wait to show you this Outer Banks hot spot that is fun to come to when it's raining outside.
Or when you've had your fair share of fun and sun on the beach, friends. This is the Outer Banks Bowling Center.
I can't wait to see what excitement we get into. Let's go inside.
Let's check it out. The Nags Head Outer Banks Bowling Alley offers late night rock and bowl, league tournaments, and even parties for the little ones. They also have an updated arcade, a cafe stocked with great food, including everybody's favorite, pizza.
Now, can we please go do battle so I can whoop your
It's not gonna happen, friend. Gregg all day right here. I want to remind everybody that on, March 6th, the Outer Banks Association of Realtors is having a bowling tournament right here.
Oh. Are we playing for money?
No, I'm not. I know better.
Woo, buddy! I'm not a bowler, but I will be soon enough.
Okay.
Oh!
Almost. That's it, Heather.
Oh!
That was awesome. So if you hit that, that's called a spare. The beauty of the Outer Banks Bowling Center is this is a year-round activity due to the seasonal nature of the Outer Banks. It's very weather dependent, very tourism dependent, and very dependent on the amount of business that's going to be available during any given time. So this is a huge off-season activity. This place isn't busy now, but later on today it's going to be packed.
My son attended a lot of parties here, for birthday parties when he was younger. It's a great place for the kiddos to come and have their birthday parties. It's a fun spot to do when you get bored of the beach. So come out and have some fun. All right, buddy, let's do this.
This could be bad for you, friend.
The brick master.
Yeah,
brick
they're all going in, girl. Good. Thought I'd lost again.
Hope you enjoyed this video today. It's a great spot to visit, and for more 411 on the Outer Banks, please like, subscribe, share, and we hope to see you next time. Thank you for joining.